Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Evidently, Penny ordered I don't know what she ordered. I'll show you in a second, I don't know. But she did allude to the fact that it's some kind of a kitchen gadget. So, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Okay, so it's not heavy. It's not a heavy box. I'm not going to keep you guys in suspense. I really don't know what it is. But I will show you this. Right before the video, she goes back to the pantry and comes out with, voila. So, what do we think this is? She keeps asking if I know what it is. I said I don't know what it is. But I think I know what it is, but I don't really know what it is. So let's find out together. Okay, so let's open up this here box and see what we got. Oh boy, look at this. Stuffing paper. Whoa. Oh, now I know what it is. There you go. Let me move this out of the way real quick. It's our original. I'm going to move this in a little closer for you guys. See? Original onion blossom maker plus breaded bowl. All in one. Slice, shake, and fry. So let's open her up and see what she looks like on the inside, huh? Now we know what the onion's for. I should have guessed because she'd been saying, I want to, had a hankering for something. She wouldn't tell me, but then an onion, I should have guessed. But anyhow, let's see. Anything else on here that's worth noting? Perfect homemade onion blossom in minutes. That's what it says right there. And this is the original onion blossom maker and breader bowl. Bet you can use this for other things like chicken and stuff. Oh yeah, it shows you right here. Chicken, onion rings, fish. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay, so let's open this up. I think it was already open, kind of. Look at that, huh? Well, I think those onions, I don't know if that's a big enough opening for that, but I don't know what this does. I have no idea. We'll see what it does in a little bit. So here we have, I think I've already got the concept of this. Once you get your onion cut up and everything, you put it in here, right? Because it's got a gap at the bottom, see? Take this out. Yeah, see? There's a trough on down here. This rack sits in there like this. I'll bet you put the onion, after you cut it up, in there like this. Put your juice on there or whatever. Put the lid back on, shake it up. I don't know what else to do after that. Maybe put flour in there, I don't know. But yeah, there it is. So, it gives you an instruction book here. It shows you how to peel the onion, cut the onion, and then you stick it in that this thing here. I don't know if my onion would fit in there. I don't know. It'd be tight. It's gonna be a tight fit if it does. I might have to get a smaller onion. Anyway, then it shows you what to do with your shaker bowl. Then you got to lower your onion slowly into the grease. I don't think I'm going to use grease. I think I'm going to use the air fryer. And then you remove the core thing. It's pretty cool the way it looks. You can see the picture here. And then, anyway, and here you go. This tells you what to do, how to make a dipping sauce. Hints. Simple can be easier and better. And then the rest of this is in Spanish. So anyway, we're going to give this a shot on the next video, I guess, maybe. I think she wants me to make her, evidently, a blooming onion. So that's what I got for today. I just wanted to show you, but this is the original blooming onion kit or maker, huh? Nice little container that you got here. Sure it is. Freaking lid won't even go on there. I don't know, I'll figure that out. It keeps popping off for some reason. I don't know. Okay, so just to show you what we got here, and then on the next video we'll probably be making a blooming onion with the blooming idiot like me making it. Okay guys, that's Mr. Dan saying stay safe. If you like the video so far, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, and I'll put the name of this thing here in the description box. Until then, this is Mr. Dan saying stay hungry, and when you are, come back and we'll give you another delicious blooming onion. This is Mr. Dan saying we're out for now.